Hello scrappers! So, quite often I am scrapping scientific calculators, and looks like the scientific ones must have more ICs, more gold, and be much better. But now I will check this simple Russian ELECTRONICA MK23. Even the instructions are here. And it looks so nice that I'm actually not even planning to break it. I'll just check what's inside and decide should I scrap it and break it or just keep it in my collection. It's from 1987, so here is the passport. Look at it. And the cost was 18 Russian rubles at that time. It works with 3 batteries, more or less in good condition. I see some corrosion here and there, but someone forgot the batteries. Let's look inside. I was looking for screws for a while, but I didn't find any. So I'll try not to break it, but at the same time open it. And let's try to check what's under the keyboard. Okay. I think I can't do I can't go back after this point, so let's just look at what we have. I'll keep this. Maybe there may be silver or palladium. Really nice. Look at this, how it's designed, the screen. Haha, I see for the first time such. Interesting. But as I already broke it, let's check what's under this keyboard. I don't think I can repair all this stuff, but yeah, it will go in my pile of calculators, boards for precious metals recovery. I'm wondering about this wiring. Can be silver, but this has to be checked. Yeah, really good chips. You see, it's a Russian one, 2 Russian ones. From 1986 are both of them. Probably there is some gold inside, who knows. I may try to break it a little. Can be gold, but also maybe there is no gold, who knows. I'll try to break it. I don't see any gold. It's white inside. Let me cut this. I have no idea what it is. It's heavy black box. No, I don't see anything. White. Only white, no gold inside. Yeah. Just broke it. Okay, let's check the other one. This one is not so easy, but looks like same story. I don't see gold inside these chips. So, last chance. Nice to break it, but hopefully there is something under this keyboard. And let's check together. No. We have this metal round, white metal round keys, key contacts, or whatever it is. I have no idea what they contain, if they contain anything at all. Most probably, if there is anything, it's probably silver plating, because they're well sealed with this glue, so can be silver, as it protected in with this plastic and that is glued on top. So yeah, and it's a silver plating. It's silver for sure that is under it. Nothing so impressive. I'm not lucky with the Russian calculators, let's say it in this way. I know the Bulgarian ones and I scrub them and I get gold because I really know them well, which ones have gold, which ones don't have. But this is the third Electronica I'm scrapping, maybe in 10 days. And here I got silver. In the previous ones it was some gold chips, but really nothing so impressive. This is really thick. This is really thick silver here, silver contact, but that's all. Nothing really interesting. Couple of chips, no gold inside, looks like. And these round contacts, silver plating. Okay, so it was a good calculator. Probably I should keep it, but now it's too late. Thanks for watching.